nagsasalita. Ngayon lang ako nagsalita. So, yes, this time I'm going to use glue to secure this because I ran out of double-sided tape because I've tried tapes before, scotch tape, but then it doesn't work well. So I tried glue and it works on this type of paper, a special type of paper. Yeah, ulit ko na naman. Ayan, ulit lang tayo guys, ulit. It's a process. You need to learn. Parang, I don't know. Because I'm putting to put this on. Actually, I'm not good when it comes to gift wrapping. But at least I need effort. But later on, don't worry. We will get a nice outcome or result naman. Because we'll put on the designs later. So for this, yeah, I'll use glue again. I'll secure it with glue. Ulit lang tayo. Secure natin with glue. Siya kasi ng glue kasi na-try siya kasi ang natatanggal ang scotch tape. So on the other side, so basic lang ang ginawa kong kasi we'll put the designs coming from our scrapbook naman later. So this is the designs coming from scrapbook will be the major designs naman. So this is very basic actually. No, I made a mistake. Madalas talaga kailangan natin magkaroon ng mistake para matuto. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh my gosh. Yeah. So, okay. So, meron tayo na butas here sa part na here. So, what I did is, nag-ano lang ako ng strip like this. Okay. And then, tatapalan lang natin. I don't know if kita siya. Yeah, we fold it. And then, tatapalan lang natin. Parang ginagawa ng ating mga yung nasa government may tapal-tapal lang. Mahilig sila manapal. Anyways, nagawan ko pa talaga ng paraan para so anyways, yun. So, ito na yun guys, tatapalan ko lang siya like that para lang ma-cover up natin since we're going to put designs naman later on. So that, so we're going to put designs na. So, okay na yan, diba? We're going to put designs. So for now, kukunin na natin ang ating para sa coming from scrapbook. I don't have much designs pa, pero we will maximize what's on hand. So for now, I want something classy since this is for my mom. So yeah, something vintage. Let's grab this. Okay, sorry, nakikinig ang ating kamay kasi I have epilepsy. Anyways, yan. May gamit tayo ito. So, tayo ay mag-tear. Tearing. Sana pa rin ay distinguer, diba? punit-punit lang. This is arts, so wala tayong hinihindian sa arts. Everything. Ayan. Punit-punit lang, guys. So, ang gagawin natin, dun sa tapal, diba? Just like this. Lalagyan ko siya ng cover up. Lalagyan ko siya ng cover up. Make sure na naka-level siya here, diba? Ang design na rin. And then, ano natin blue. So, ating blue. I have a lot of blue kasi I'm not going to make slime, pero since I'm into scrapbooking, so kaya ilagay natin dyan for the design. Maybe I'll put sticker here later. And then another design on this side. This part naman tayo. I don't know if kita. Hindi niya kita. Wala kasi akong stand talaga. Kaya, I'm using my cell phone stand. So, next time na lang pag may budget na. So, ayan guys. Dikit na natin. Hindi ko siya sinide kasi may mga natapal-tapal pa naman tayo dyan. So, ito. I don't use other yung mga painter brushes in Pizer. I don't use that kasi mas gusto ko yung using bare hands talaga kapag gumagawa ko ng arts. Mas napipil ko ang aking craft. So this is the outcome. So next is lalagay na tayo. Hanap na tayo ng other design. So, this are something maybe since it's for mom, so maybe this will do. This type of design. Ayan. This type of design. This is for mom. Lagay lang natin here. Here. Yun lang maganda sa scrapbooking kasi parang wala siyang rules, wala naman siyang rules. So, yun guys. Kaya na pinalagapan. Sorry, wala akong stand. Ganyan siya. I'll show you later. Yeah. So, next time, we'll use our magic stickers na. So, this is very basic. So, meron tayo here, mga on-hand na stickers. Oh my gosh, natapon ng stickers ko. So, all my stickers came online. I ordered this either from Shein or Temu, ganun lang. Pero mas mura sa Temu. So, shout out Temu. I used to order there. Madalas talaga Temu na ako ngayon. Kasi mas maliit ang kanyang, actually mas mura talaga. So maybe this little house picture. Willow. Ayan. Yung ating little house pic. Yan. I guess this is perfect. I don't know if kita no. Okay. So, tayo ay tatanggal lang. Talan tayo. Lagay natin on this part. Lagyan ko lang siya yan kasi may ilalagay tayong lady. So, kailangan kasi mayroong babae para alam mo yun. Sabi nga nila, lady is like flowers. Diba? You're nothing without a lady. So, so this type of design fits my mom. Hello. Of design fits here. So it's very basic. Easy peasy, right? So, I'm thinking it might insert pa ako here. Maybe a real one, another little design. So, meron akong natira like this. And i-insert ko na lang siya. I changed my mind. No. So, no na tayo. So, tayo ng pwedeng lagyan ng name. I ran out of tag na. Okay, I ran out of tag. I wanted at ito. Lagyan natin ito. One more here. This is choose to sign. So, lagyan natin ng quote. It's very classic kapag may ganun, diba? Alam mo, tayo ng design. Actually, itong part na to, sticker na to, mahirap siyang alisin. It's kind of hard to remove. But, let's make effort. This is my Christmas gift, actually. I finished a lot na for the others. So, this is the last one. So, they said that save the best for last. So, I'll show you this full design later. So, maybe here, kasi wala pa naman siyang design here. Okay. So, this is the whole design na guys. So, that's it. We did our DIY. Yan na. We made a DIY. Okay. I'm going to show you the rest. Let me show you the rest. Tingnan natin ang iba. We got a lot na. So, ayan. Ayan. So, each one of them got a design. Diba? So, ayan. You can do this. Then, diba? It's available. You can make scrap, diba? A design coming from yan. Alam mo, lahat, FYI, lahat ng mga aking mga gifts ay actually, it's below 100. Pero syempre, for our parents, it's different. So, the price is different. So, I need to save for them talaga. Yan. For my mom and dad. That's for... And this is... Okay, this one. Okay, I made those. And I got this tea in mini. Okay, this is for my... So, alam na nila. Alam na nila. So, this is for... Okay. Ayan. So, mag-asawa naman sila para silang mag-iit. Yeah. So, everything got a design. So, ayan siya, guys. Relax tayo. Everything got a design. Because I don't want it na since crafty ako. Ayan. I want everything with designs. So, thank you for watching my vlog. Until next vlog. Thank you for watching my vlog. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. And click the bell button. Thank you.